Hi everyone, in front of me I've got UMIDIGI G5 tablet and tab actually, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's scroll down to find the option security. Let's tap. Then we have to scroll down to more security settings and tap on Encryption Credentials. Here, let's scroll down to the very bottom, and right here we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on Clear Credentials and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.